Over 10 years ago, I released a very limited edition of one of my favorite card tricks. One of the things that I would perform as a closer, or if I had to do one trick for a formal audience, this is the kind of thing that I would do. This is not an ordinary deck of cards, this is the amazing color-changing deck of cards. You ready? Here we go. Ta-da! There you are, the amazing color-changing deck of cards. It can do more than just change color though. For example, if you were to think of any card, I'll show you all the cards that are here. You can think of any one that you see there. As soon as you've thought of a card, I'm going to mix the cards up. I'm going to mix them up in two different ways. So half of the cards will be face down and half of the cards will be face up. And then we'll mix them up again. And we'll mix them up nice and slow so you can see as we mix these cards face up and face down. I'm going to go ahead and say that the card must be one of the face down cards that are in here. Has to be. In actual fact, it'll be one of the face up cards, and I've gotten it wrong. So wrong that I have to ask them what card they're thinking of. Now remember, they could be thinking of any card that's here. Let's imagine then that they're thinking of the two of spades. So we'll cut that to the top. Clearly, we didn't get that right, but we can make up for that by performing a couple of miracles. The first miracle is very simple. We wave the deck over the two of spades, and in that instant, everything turns face down. But at exactly the same time, this card turns into a red card. That's pretty impressive, but after a couple of seconds, if we look at the deck over here, the deck now looks red. In actual fact, every single card is red. From front to back, every single card in the deck, and this is called Spectrum, the amazing color-changing deck.
If I do that shadow thing again, that was so cool the first time, every card in the deck actually goes face down. But what's even more interesting is you thought of one card in the deck, one card, just one, the Ace of Hearts. Turn it over, because it's the only card in the pack with a red back. Not only that card, but every card in the deck turns completely red.